Hi guys, and welcome back to the Vauxhall Vivaro van build, part 8, episode 2. You'll notice behind me I've actually finished the benches, and during the video you'll see how I've done that. Now once we've rubbed down the panel, what we need to do is then undercoat it, and then what we need to do is let that dry properly. Then rub it down again to get a smooth finish before we start spraying. Just a tip, if you're going to start spraying, put the tin in a warm bucket of water beforehand, because what that will do is that it will loosen up and soften up the spray paint within the tin, and it makes it much more easier to then spray the product that you're actually going to spray. I'm actually going to be using this one, which is the Rust-Oleum. It's really good and it gives a really good finish at the end of it. But first of all, before I actually even start spraying it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub down now the panel, give it a slight undercoat again, and then give it a coat of this, or rather 3 coats of this. Okay, so now we're at the stage where I've painted the panels, I've inserted the perspex into the centres. Basically this is where you're going to be hitting your feet, and so therefore I wanted something a little bit more robust. And now we're at the edge here, and like I said to you, I wasn't too worried about the edge and the way it fits, and the reason for that is because I've got one of these, and that's a trim. So it's an aluminium trim that will fit on the edge there, and it's also ideal as well when you're getting in and out of the van, that you know, you're going to be knocking parts of the panels, and I just think that having an aluminium strip on the side there just protects it a little bit. Welcome back, and as you can see, the benches are finished. I just wanted to take you through the foam and where I actually got the foam for the seats. It's a company called eFoam, and the address will be at the top here. They're a really good company. They actually cut the foam for you. They ask you what it's for, what the purpose of the foam is for, and so therefore you can get firm to hard, which is what I use for the camper van, and it's really comfortable. So the next stage will be to get these covered, try and find someone who can cover them for me, and also to put the brackets along the benches with the LED lights, and then I can look at putting the table in.